Hello. So today we are making a Google Assistant. So this Google Assistant can do some things like translating etc. But it has some type of limit. So to fix that you can use a cloud variable. But now if you want to make a offline type of Google Assistant, you can see this video. So let's start. First of all, we will make a sprite, paint a sprite, and we will make this sprite as Google Assistant. It will look like a logo of Google Assistant. First we will make it blue and we will make this no outline and make a oval in this way. Now we will fix this oval over this point. And now we will make a line and increase up to 18. So we will do in this way, and now we will increase the line to 18. Here you can see, and now we will make this line. Now you can color it as your choice. I am coloring this black, and some part of it red in this way. Now I will take this Google Assistant and take it to the center, and now we will go to the extension. So first of all we need translate extension, and for this you need internet and also text to speech extension, and for this also you need internet. So first of all, when this sprite click, we will do this will be the code. So when this sprite is clicked, ask what I can do, for you, what can I do for you, and make this W capital. What I can do for you. Now we will use if then. Answer. I have used both of this in my video. If you want the link of the video, it will appear here on the corner of the screen, and that video link I will share to you. So these two variable, not one input and one block was told there. So now we will use equal to and put answer here, and now we will write translate. I have full written in capital letters. Translate. So now it will ask in what language you want to translate. In what language you want to translate. So it will have another part. This video or this topic will have another part. So this is part 1. So when this sprite clicked, ask what I can do for you and wait. So I will give here forever. And now duplicate the sprite. So here you can see I have duplicated, and it will be here. Say a joke. Say a joke. Say a joke. So for saying, we will use this speak and set voice to alto. You can pick any character on which you want to set voice. And now I will tell which is a room that doesn't have doors. Doesn't have doors. Now it will wait for 1 second. Wait for 1 second, and now duplicate the sprite. It is mushroom. Mushroom. It is mushroom. And cannot speak this emoji, so I am removing it. So here is speak mushroom. Wait 1 second and speak mushroom. And this will be so we will write here, tell some facts. Tell some facts. It will be some and facts. Tell some facts. So it will say some facts. So you can change the voice. And now speak a fact. So we will meet. So we will meet after writing the fact. So I will put a very known fact that 70% of our body, 70% of our body is water. You can tell any fact. So 70% of our body is water. And the second video will be all about the background and the assistant popping and more features. So that's all for today, and the other features will be discussed in the second episode. So that's all for today. Bye. If you like the video, leave a like, and the second episode link will pop up here in the end screen. So that's all for today. Bye. If you like the video, leave a like. So that's all for today. Bye.